Hey, welcome back to Mr. Wallen's Neighborhood. We are here at Glamis, California in the sand dunes looking at a gigantic sun. In fact, I'm gonna try to get this cocktail done before the sun goes down. We're gonna start off with Rum-Bar. This is an overproof rum from Jamaica. It's a really nice high ester content, has a really nice aromatic that it comes along with it. Also shout out to my boy Alex Zan from Worthy Park, holding it down in Jamaica for all of us that cannot be there, but would love to be. I'm gonna use St. George. This is a raspberry liqueur. This comes from St. George Spirits in Alameda, California. I think something like 5 pounds of raspberries go into each one of these bottles. Has a really almost savory flavor profile. That's why I'm gonna do it with this rum, because the high ester content, the high molasses, or the high ester content of that goes well with the raspberry. Goes well with the raspberry. Man, this is confusing to me. All right, next thing we're gonna do is use some lime juice. And there's some visitors back here in the Mad Max film that we're in right now. We're gonna go crushed on this bad boy right here. Again, some to the gods with this wind. Incredible. Yeah, man. Get a garnish pick. I know you guys keep your garnish picks in your pocket. It's a good spot for them. Always prepared. We're gonna sort a couple raspberries on that bad boy. Voila. Cheers.